Hi, I'm Christy Payne. I have always loved gardening. My fondest childhood memories were in the garden with Grandpa and Papa. I became a beekeeper when bees stopped visiting my yard. Beekeeping is hard. I lost a lot of hives and I learned a lot of things. I learned how to catch wild bees with a higher survivability rate. And I believe that the honeybee is the most misunderstood element of the agricultural industry. Conducting the urban beekeeping program in Tulsa taught me that there is a market for honeybee conservation and education. In the future, I look forward to queen rearing, selling honey and bees, conducting workshops and hive tours. I see my biggest challenges to success are marketing to the correct audience and finding skilled labor.